Fish on. Man, he nailed it. Ooh, baby, fight. Come on, baby. Yes. Man, there ain't no way this is crappie. This is crappie. We're talking state record. Oh my God. That's how we do it here, baby. Paul catches them all. So the plan for today is to fish some docks. So Lake Hamilton is loaded with docks, and that's what we're going to try to fish today. So I'm going to use my side scan, get up alongside a dock, see if we can find some crappie balled up. In between, we're going to be going under a couple bridges. My previous video, I caught a decent amount of crappie under some bridges. We're going to see if they're still staged up there or not. So to me, it doesn't matter where I'm at. If the crappie's there, that's where I'm going. That's what I'm going to fish. But fishing docks is a lot of fun for me. Sometimes you only got to scan a couple and you're right on top of them. Oh, hey, look at that. There's a ton of crappie. There you are. On that 15-20 foot range. Okay, this is actually a calm part of the lake. Whoa. That spooked me a bit. What's nice too is we are on the calm side of the water right now. Yeah, they have a whole bunch of brush under their dock. I'm gonna troll over it, see if there was like an exact location of where it was. I was using side scan. I need to remember that it very well could be under the dock. It seems to be right at the end. Yeah, right there at the end. 16-20 feet, pretty thick on a pile. Okay. Oh, fish on. There we go. First one of the day. That's a little black crappie. All right. Let's put some slime on them. You got to put the slime on the jigs. So they hit the that gray jig there at the top. Hold on, let me get all this stuff out the way here. Skunk is out the boat now. It's not a big old beast, but he'll do. Okay. All right. Tighten up my drag a bit there too. I'd say he was probably 16 to 18 feet down. Let's see if we could get another one here. All right, guys. We're in a lot deeper water here. I'm gonna come up here and scan these docks. Oh, here we go. Oh man. Holy crap. That is a bunch. We're gonna turn around, scan that again, and I'm going to fish this dock. That's got my heart going right there, I'll tell you what. Oh yeah. It's right there, right in the middle. They are just all on it. And I mean, they are packed on it. Oh yeah, fish on. He was right off the bottom too. Just a bass. It's a little guy. Hey, Sean. This feels more like a crappie. Oh no, it's a big old bass again. We're like bass fishing today. That's not all that's down there. Oh, fish on. You nailed that. I think this is a crappie right here. Dang, another bass. You guys, I'm getting sick and tired of you. There we go, fish on. Just a little bluegill. Just a wee little guy. What's up? Just a few, pretty small though. Yeah. That guy yelling at me. I was like, what the heck? Have some fish here. Anywhere between 10 and 30 feet. A bit to the right. They're all 15, 20 feet. That's a decent amount. Let's see if we can catch them. Fish on. I'm not gonna say it's a crappie because every time I do it's a bass. Oh yeah. There we go. That was quick. So these guys are pretty aggressive then. All right, let's see if we can load the boat up now. Hopefully this rain here is gonna turn them on, huh? Every time I say it's a crappie, it's a bass, so I'm not talking anymore. So now look at all those crappie right there. Holy crap. That is insane. Off to the right too, anywhere between the 10 and 20 foot range. Oh, I don't want to go out here in the rain. Dang. There we go. I don't know what it is. Feels like a decent sized fish though. Oh yeah. This guy hit the pink one. Nice. These are some good sized crappie we got here. I mean, they are thumping it. And this jig he hit. Bought these at Walmart. They're small little pink and chartreuse, probably 1.5 inches long. So I know with it being colder, they're wanting to hit the smaller baits. This one. This guy nailed it. What we got here? Okay. Buddy. Man, he smoked it. Bad sized little guy. These guys over here are killing it. So what I did, I went down a little bit deeper. I went down about 25 foot. John, man, he nailed it. Ooh, baby, fight. Come on, baby. Yes. And there ain't no way this is crappie. This is crappie. We're talking state record. Oh my God. My balls either stick in my hand. I might be. Look at that right there, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. No way. Whew. Look at the size of this pig. Oh my goodness. This rain is turning them on. Let's go. This guy, he absolutely smoked it. He hammered it. Yo. Oh man. Man, that is what I'm talking about. That's how we do it here, baby. Paul catches them all. Let's get another one. Yeah! Look at all, man. I mean, look at them. I have to turn around and fish that. Like, I cannot fish that. Go. Goes another one. So now look at that. Literally 20 feet behind this. And I'll just say in 12 foot of water. Sometimes it's just all about that depth. There we go. It's a little guy. That was a light bite, but little guy. See, he's your big brother or sister down there. That feels a little better. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, baby. On over here, baby. Okay. All right. Let's put some more slime on them jigs. You gotta put slime on the jigs. That crappie finally went down. So let's look and think of what's going on now. So the bite slowed down, I changed up the depth, and I changed up the bait. I'm taking ibuprofen. I don't know if it's like it's the rain changing, allergies, just whatever, but I've been having a little bit of a headache here. All right, I took my ibuprofen, got my Coke Zero out. Roasted peanuts. Oh, and we got a fish, baby. Let's go. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. What the? Oh my, what? Please, oh my God. Look at this thing. Yo, look at this thing. Yo, let's go, baby. Oh my goodness gracious. This is a slab right here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. All right. Man, he sure ran off weird though. He just like went up to the surface and was like, yeah, I'm done. All right. Oh. I mean, look at the size of this thing. .6. Hey. That is a good fish. My goodness. Yes. Let's go, man. Oh, what the? No fight. I still got him. Good. This feels like a good sized one too. Wow, I don't know what happened there. Nice. Well, heck, I didn't lose him. Okay. Check this out really quick. We got a couple for the old frying pan. This guy here is just big enough. They're always too small. I lied. I don't know how small some people keep them. I mean, I already got a couple in. Like, if I didn't have any, I might have kept them, but I truly try to keep it at that 9-inch range. If they're 9 inches and bigger, I'll keep them. If I don't have any. There we go. Yes. It's a good looking little guy. This one's gonna keep. This one was on that bluegrass. All right, guys, packing up. Gonna go and try to fish a couple more docks. The rain's let up. It's a little foggy. Might be a little bit misty, but that's fine. As long as it's not raining. And honestly, I'm happy. We stopped off at these couple small bridges here. We're able to get on a couple, so yeah, I do not care where I'm at as long as I'm catching them. You know, vertical fishing on the bridges is always a lot of fun. As long as you're getting into a couple, you're good. So let's see if we can get a couple more on some docks. All right, guys, we are back at the first dock we originally fished, and reason being, I'm hoping it might have made them a little bit more active here. So I got the side scan up, put it just to the right side only. Might make it a little bit easier to see. Good, these waves, about a quarter in. They seem to be right beneath this main dock right here. They're loaded up, and even at the end too. If I could just get low enough to skip under there. I don't know if I'll be able to, but we're gonna try. About 10 feet here. It's a little bit closer. This guy's boat than I want to be. Way back in there. All right. There we go. Look at that. That is how you skip docks right there. Dude's a 9 all day. Add them to the collection. Wasn't the most majestic one, but there we go. Oh yeah. Whoa. That's a big old bluegill. What happened to my reel here? This guy swallowed it. It's a decent sized one. Alright guys, so recap on the day. We did a lot of bridge fishing and dock fishing. They were hitting more under the bridge, and we were able to get a couple on the docks though. At the end of the day, we were able to get in some crappie here. I think I got 1, 2, 3. So I'm bringing home 10. I think I threw back like 2 or 3. But in the end, man, it was just a great day. Rainy outside, but fish are still biting. It's raining, get out there. Hey, I also want to say, everybody new to my channel, I appreciate you guys subbing, watching my videos. You guys got some good comments you left me, showing love and support for my channel. I really do appreciate it. So just want to say thank you guys.
Hey, if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys hanging out watching the entire video. This was a cold, rainy day. It started off super cold. Rain came out of nowhere, warmed up, then got cold again. So actually, from being out in that rain, it kind of messed up my voice, so hopefully I don't get too sick. But anyways, the fishing today was great. Just absolutely tore them up. The crappie were stacked. Mostly were under bridges. There was a few under docks, but sometimes those docks are so low to the water, and the way how they have those boats set up, there's only so many ways you can get to them. But for the most part, I kind of hung out under the bridge while it was coming down, but it was an absolute blast. There's nothing better than when those crappie are just balled up. So the bite was, they were pretty aggressive, and whenever it would slow up, I would just swap baits really quick, swap a couple colors, and I was ready to go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you guys would like to see more, hit that subscribe button. I try to come out with videos once a week. I come out with them as soon as I can. But regardless of your guys' decision, I hope you get out there and have some fun and do some fishing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.
Bye, have a great time.